I find it so hard to believe that summer is creeping upon us, and that just makes me think of summer salads. And I am part of a summer salad collab, so I'm hoping to introduce you to an exciting new type of summer salad. I'm going to be making a spinach dip pasta salad. Let's make it now. I need to cook a pound of pasta in boiling water. Grab a bowl. We need 2 cups of sour cream and a half a cup of mayonnaise. Next comes your packet of knorr or knorr. How do you pronounce this? It's the vegetable recipe pack. Add that in, and some black pepper and some parsley flakes. Mix that all together. Next, you need a bag of spinach. I'm going to use this 8-ounce bag. And I'm going to saute it in a pan until wilted, not mushy. Then allow both those things to cool. Add that spinach and add that drained pasta. We need to mix that all together. Then we just cover it and we have to chill it in the refrigerator about 4 hours. Let's get scooping. Here we go. It is wonderful. It has that same spinach dip flavor that you're used to, and it tastes phenomenal. Thank you so much. I'm merely Melissa and Kristy's Farmhouse for hosting this collaboration. To see even more exciting summer salads, check the playlist in my description. Why did the financial system collapse in ancient Egypt? Pyramid schemes.